Hello, welcome to the class of HUE, which is Hadoop User Experience. So, this is an interface of HUE. Now, HUE is basically an application which is one for every Hadoop component. Like we have HBase, we have Uzi, Scoop, Hive, Pig, and HDFS, which is Hadoop Distributed File System. Now, what it does, it basically prepare and load the data. With the help of this, we can analyze. And for analysis, we have Hive, Pig, and Impala. It schedules workflows of various queries. It persists and query in HBase, and we can search with SOLR. Now as per this, like we have query editors. Now in query editors, we have Hive, Impala, database query, Pig, and job designers. After that, we have data browsers. So in data browser, we have metastore tables, HBase, Scoop Transfer, Zookeeper. If I go to the workflow, we have various dashboards and we have various editors. In search, we can search dashboard, indexes. In security, we have Hive tables, Solar collections, and ACLs. So, in this interface, we have some documents, already stable jobs and documents, and some examples. Now, let's discuss our very first query editor. So, in a query editor, we are going to access the first, and which is Hive. So, it is accessing, like we can apply for a query with this. Now, these are some saved queries, like we have some already saved queries. We can run these and we can see the results. We have some data stored in this with AST, play, customers, new customers, samples, task, weblogs, etc. So we can apply our query here and we can see the result. Now, what is the format of or applying the query? Like we have an example, like we have to select from a particular table name. So as I can use here a keyword select. After that, I have to enter star and then I have to print from where. The control plus space, as it is mentioned that you can select control plus space also. So where we have to select, because we have these tables available, now we can select from these, like from customers we have to select. Now we can run the query here, like control plus enter we can press, or we can execute. Now here we have a query history. Like a few seconds ago, select from customer is a query that I have applied. Now, what are the results? Now, these are the results, that these are the customers with their addresses we have. Now, in a database, like I have selected from the customers, so I have selected, I have the data in the form of results. Now, when I press again, like we can select from AST2, can run the query in query history, but it is not showing any results. That means it is taking some time, and now the results will be available, that there are no results from AST in this database. So let's select from another one, like a customer new. When I run this query, this shows now it is available. Now in a query history we can see that whenever there is a flight sign, that means query is running, and after that we have a results available. So this is the format. Similarly, we can apply anything, like we can sort, we can cluster, we can distribute, we can left join, anything. Like I can sort. Now it can give me another. Sort by addresses, sort by name, string, whatever is available. Now I can run this query again that I want to sort. So this sign will show that query is being running. And when it is completed, because it is a huge database, big data, so it is taking some time so that it can run and it can produce the results. Like it is taking some this time, and time is being calculated here, that how much time your query is taking to run and what the results you want and how much it will take to run a query for sorting. So I can pause this also, like I don't want to run, I can cancel this statement also. Let's run one in saved query. So like we have top salary above. So this is my query written here. I want to run this, so I can run here. This sign will show that query is failed because I have cancelled the statement. Now here we can see that we have to select top salary. So I am comparing sample number 7 to the sample number 8 salary. From where if sample number salary is greater than, I have to order them in descending order because we have to sort them. So here salary DESC is a keyword for descending. So query is being running. When it will be run, then we have the results available, that this is, and it will show me all the sorting queries one by one. So that means you provide an easy interface so that we can create our database, we can run our query and in an easy manner. Similarly, if we have a huge data, big data, so we have to run the queries, we have to process the queries. So with the help of this interface, we can run this and we can process as well. That means whatever my query history is, it is, I have taken 1 minute and 18.177 seconds to run it. So this is how we can apply for a query with the help of Hive. We'll continue with this in our next class. Thank you so much.